a business owner and you want an AI assistant that will generate promotional images for you automatically, then you are on the correct video. So this is my Google Sheets that I've created. In the Google Sheets, I have an idea for a promotional image which I've entered. You can see it says design an appetizing restaurant advertisement featuring a gourmet burger, pizza, beverages on a wooden table. Use warm lighting, delicious food presentation, and premium restaurant branding. Include promotional text areas for discounts and combo offers. So I wrote a very basic idea for the promotional image. As soon as I've done that, within 10 to 15 seconds, you will see automatically on the same spreadsheet next to my idea, image URL is going to be updated. It will take 15 to 20 seconds. You can see in front of you, the URL is updated. And if I'll open the URL, you can see it's the promotional image that I wanted. So like this, if you want to create the setup that is going to do the exact same work that we just saw, then stay tuned till the end of this video because I will show you that how with the help of ChatGPT, you can automatically generate promotional images. So let's move on with this setup. To create such amazing automation, I'm using the software Pabbly Connect. If you're getting started with Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. After coming to the landing page, sign up for free from here. If you're logging in for the first time, you will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create the setup with me right away. Now, I'm already a user, so I've logged in inside Pabbly Connect and I am on the template for this workflow. If you want the template that I'm using, check out the free workflow link added in the description section below. I want that as soon as I enter the new idea in the Google Sheet, automatically my trigger captures the response of that idea. So that is why my trigger is Google Sheets new or updated spreadsheet row. Now you will see to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, you will receive a webhook URL and the steps to follow. So copy this URL, log into your Google Sheets, go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons option. You will come to this window on which on the search apps bar, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet and you will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks, from which go to the initial setup option. After coming to the window of initial setup, it is going to ask for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For this webhook URL field, what you need to do is you need to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you, and the trigger column is the last data column where you are entering the data. I'm just entering the image prompt. So as soon as I'm going to enter the image idea, I want the response should be forwarded towards this URL. So that is my trigger column. My trigger column is going to be column A. Click on the submit button and it will say setup configured successfully. Now as it says that first step is completed. Next step is in Pabbly Connect webhooks, turn on the send on event. As you will see the tick mark, that means this step is activated. Now whenever you will add in the data in the spreadsheet, this spreadsheet is instantly going to send that data to Pabbly Connect's trigger. Recapture the response right here and it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check the connection, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a new idea right over here, that is create a luxurious beauty campaign featuring a confident person showcasing the result of beauty service. Make the hair, skin, makeup, nails and other relevant beauty result visual focus. Use a sophisticated salon or studio environment with elegant mirrors, soft lighting, premium beauty products and subtle decorative elements. Choose a polished transformation and realistic skin, hair, beauty details. Use flattering professional lighting and clean premium composition. Place the promotional offer and the CTA in an elegant empty area without covering the person's face or the main result. The overall design should feel luxurious, feminine and sophisticated depending on the service and similar to a professional beauty advertisement campaign. You can see I have entered this very detailed idea and you will see instantly the response of that same idea will be captured in this trigger. This means Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have the idea. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate the image, OpenAI to generate the image. For that I've used OpenAI generate image GPT image 1. Click on this connect option, add new connection. Now you need to provide the token. To have the token, you don't have to go anywhere else. Directly go towards this hyperlink. You will come to the OpenAI API keys section. Generate Generate the new key from this button, copy the key, paste it down in the field and save this connection. Likewise, I've already created one connection, so I'll save it from here. Now it is asking for the prompt after the connection is created. Now in OpenAI or ChatGPT, you enter your request, OpenAI generates the result. So the prompt is that text that you enter. So for that, I will write over here as, so this is my prompt. Create a high quality, creative and visually stunning promotional marketing image based on business, product, service, offer and marketing information provided. Now I have to enter my image idea right here. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is going to work. If you'll add a slash, previous step is going to appear. In the step, you have the image idea for which you want to generate the image. So select the data from the previous response and clearly this data is now mapped. As now this data is mapped, this is dynamic. Now whenever the response of a new image idea will be captured in the previous step, the data over here in this map data field will be updated. And if you want this entire prompt that I'm using in this video, comment the word prompt in the comment section below and I will share you the entire prompt that I'm using. For the model, I will use GPT image 1. If you want to select another model, you can do that. Number of sample, I want one image to be generated, so I'm going to enter 1. For the size, I'm going to select auto because let AI select the size of the image. Moderation is going to be auto. Quality of the image should be high. Output compression, I don't want that, so I'll skip the part. Background, I'll let AI choose the background as well. And output format, I want PNG image, so I'll select it and click on this save and send test request button. It will take 15 to 20 seconds for the response to arrive according to your request, and you will see the response that I'm going to show you within few seconds. And you can see I've received this response. In the response, I have received this URL which I'm going to copy and open on a new tab. You will see it will be the same image that is requested. You can see right over here, this is the image that is generated by my AI. So as now the image has been generated, I will add back this image in my Google Sheets so that I will have a systematic record in one place. For that, I will select Google Sheets, update cell value. Okay, so this is my event. I'm going to click on this connect option, add new connection, connect with Google Sheets button. Now select the account with the help of which you've created your spreadsheet from here. And then give the permission for the account because this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I've created one in the name of marketing images and sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll select the details. We have to enter the range where I want to update the URL. For that, we have to follow the pattern of column name and the row index. In column B, I want to enter the image URL. So for the column name, manually, I will write column B. And for the row index, I will map the data of the row index I've received in the previous Google Sheet step. For the value, I will map the data of the image URL value and click on this save and send test request button. I have received this positive response and in Google Sheets you will see the same image URL is updated. So as now this URL is added back in Google Sheets, this means the connection between these two applications, Google Sheets and OpenAI, is completed. Now you can generate promotional images directly from Google Sheets itself. You don't have to share your OpenAI account to anyone. Share the spreadsheet, they will add the idea and get the promotional images. So if you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup, comment down below and I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.